What's going on, guys? We are back, and this is going to be my back office. I'm so happy to actually do this whole monthly overview for you guys, and this is something that I'm going to be doing on a regular basis. So if you're interested in affiliate marketing, guys, and you want to see what does it really take for a new person to get started, how are they supposed to make money with affiliate marketing? So guys, welcome once again to the video. My name is David Pinder. They also call me TipsWithDav, and if you haven't yet subscribed to the channel, hit that subscribe button below and bell notification for any future videos that you might get from me. Now, I have been quiet over the last month. I haven't been posting many videos personally, just because I've been quite busy. Actually, I'm here and I'm ready to give you guys some valuable information and share with you exactly how I'm utilizing Warrior Plus and how I'm actually, going about with my affiliate marketing journey. This is just a place that I want to document it. And if you're interested in taking the same journey with me, there's going to be a link in the description. Feel free to click on that and you will get access to it. Now, I'll just go ahead and share with you a little bit more. But I started my affiliate marketing journey actually a long time ago, guys, but I stopped for multiple reasons. And then I decided, you know what, let's do a whole case study on how it actually means to get started as a new person in 2022. So you guys have seen me put out multiple videos on the Super Funnel Hero and many other things in terms of affiliate marketing. Now, this month, I tried a few things because each and every month you kind of progress, right? And this is what everybody should be doing in affiliate marketing. Why? Because one thing is understanding the skill sets. I mean, this channel was created to share with you skill sets that help you pave the way for your dreams to come true. So on Mondays, we talk about marketing, network marketing, affiliate marketing. So you get to understand what is needed. And like I've always said in many of my videos, guys, affiliate marketing, you need to focus on traffic, so you need to focus on actually getting customers to view your page of whatever affiliate offer that you have. And who is an affiliate? An affiliate is somebody basically who's just sharing that product or service, which is not theirs, in order for them to get a commission from it. Now you can have reoccurring affiliate commissions, you can have one-time commissions, whatever it is. I personally use networks like Warrior Plus in order for me to start to generate some kind of cash flow with affiliate marketing, and then I invest into myself so that I can actually build it up over time. And this is what I'm actually documenting on the channel. I got started, as I said, just to show you guys from a free funnel to I started making money. And actually, I'm going to share with you the exact total results that I've got, how it has been for a month, and what I'm trying to get on a monthly basis and on a daily basis. Okay, my aim is definitely to get at least $100 a day. That's the aim that's the journey that I'm on. And yes, it's going to take some time. It's not going to be easy, but we're learning the skill sets that help us pave that way. So what I mean by that, when we talk about eyeballs, when we talk about people, that's the first skill set that we want to learn. The second one is related to copywriting. It's related to the follow-up, the back end, and this is where I am right now. So I finished the front end and I'm still focusing on the front end. The front end doesn't get ignored, but now I'm focusing a little bit more also on the back end. So I want to share with you, how do you actually do that? What is the skill sets that are needed? Like I said, it's really great to focus on it for a specific amount of time. So if you got started, I personally got started with Super Funnel Hero, for example, in October. Yeah, I think it was October 2021. And I didn't do anything for the first month. And then I started to, push traffic and push people to this offer on basically to this education and this training on a weekly basis, on a monthly basis. And then I started to just generate much more sales. So for example, all time, and you can actually see, I wanted to show you guys, all time traffic that I personally have sent to the Super Funnel Hero has been 1,706 people who I personally sent to that, out of which I've got 236 sales. Now, remember, this is a free funnel. I don't know if that's going to change in the future or not. I do know that right now it is a free funnel, and it is a free funnel, which means it's converting and I'm getting a lot of free sales, but I'm also getting paid sales. So I'm getting a lot of free sales and then they're converting. I'm looking at this long term. In order for me to convert it long term, the free sales will then eventually convert to paid sales. And if they don't, then I'm not interested in that, right? Because we're trying to learn a skill set that can almost be predictable in what kind of income you want to earn. So that's what I mean by it. And as you can see, the Super Funnel Hero itself, I've earned 435 over here. Plus, let me close this. Plus I made a $1,497 JV for you commission, which basically I got $500, I think, if I'm not mistaken, on this commission right there. Okay, so the commission from this plus 464, so that was, I think, around, already $1,000, plus on online sales, OLSP, which is one of the other programs within. So there are multiple streams of income within Super Funnel Hero there's another $200. So basically around 1,200 totally is what I've earned from the system. And that's pretty good if you think about it, because I've sent 1,000 people and I've earned 1,200. So if I'm almost 2,000 people, so let's say I've spent 1,000, just to give you an example, 1,600 or 2,000, I've already got 1,200. So I'm in a good place to keep my business flowing, and I'm reaching a good break-even point so that it grows. At the same time, I have a list of over 700 people just from this, 700 people just from the SuperFunnel Hero. This is the focus that I'm doing. Aim is to send traffic, then is once you build your list, and then to focus on actually sending the offers and stuff like that. And then I tested, for example, the seven-figure affiliate, which is another offer that I have. And as you can see, I've got earned $28 from that itself. The rest, nothing yet, but that's fine. It's as we go ahead with the journey, right? We're 3xing our amounts with what we have in our system to offer. I basically send people to this page. In fact, if you check on the link below, and if you want to join me on this journey and learn from this, because it's exactly what is being taught, and you can click the link in the description, add your email address here, okay? And then you'll be basically taken to this back office right here, and I will share with you a formula in a second, guys. You'll be able to set up, go through the Facebook group, join the next step. You'll find Warrior Plus is what you need to put in your ID here. OLSP is the other system, as I was mentioning. So if you don't have it, just click here, you go to the page and you can add your email address again here and then get signed up with OLSP. It's again free. And you have your traffic and you can claim your free t-shirt. Now, I'm not going to go through an overview, but the reason why I'm sharing this with you is you get access to all the offers right here. So in case you don't buy any of the offers within the SuperFunnel Hero, which I do suggest at least to buy the Killer Follow-Up series, you can always get access to them at any point of time in the future in this section right here, okay? Now, the other thing is that when you get the SuperFunnel Hero, you also get access to training. Not only start your training, but this training right here is very, very valuable, guys. Why am I telling you all of this? Because this is the journey that I've done. So what I did was I signed up through this link. I got set up. I set my funnel up, okay? I just followed the training in the dashboard, and then I went to training, and I did start here, and I followed the system too. I watched these videos, etc., etc. And then I added also my details here to the SuperFunnel Hero, and I checked all this information. And then I realized that I want to go ahead with the paid plan. Now, what is the paid plan? The paid plan is simply, when you go to the dashboard, the paid plan is simply here. Once you set up your SuperFunnel Hero, the fourth step is done for your traffic. So I decided to go ahead with the paid plan and start ordering traffic on a weekly basis. So this is what I'm doing currently. I'm ordering traffic on a weekly basis. Every time I have a certain amount, for example, $90, I would spend that in order for me to buy traffic, and then I keep doing that again and again and again. And this is how I get more people or more eyeballs into my offer. Okay, so this is what I personally am doing. Like I said, you don't need to do it. If you have a budget, great. If you don't have a budget, that is fine as well. If you don't have a budget, there is a free method right here within the SuperFunnel Hero training. There's a Facebook method, but you can implement that for YouTube. You can implement that for many other things. If you do get any of the products, by the way, guys, in the SuperFunnel Hero, I personally will share with you what is my strategy with YouTube and Facebook so that you can additionally earn for free. Just saying that, I'm leaving that as it is. Okay, it's a very simple method. So if you want to follow the same journey that I'm on, all I did was email address here, get up in the training here, and go through it, and that's it. Let's go ahead and show you this month's, and I say this month, I don't mean April. So let's look at, even though today I got a sale apparently, let's look at last 30 days. And actually let's customize it. Let's look at the 1st of March to the 31st of March. So just in April, and I want to show you guys how much I earned and be very frank with you. So I sent about 700. I sent a good enough amount of traffic this month. However, it's more about me building my list. Remember, as I mentioned to you, we're using SuperFunnel Hero as a funnel to be able to build my list. And then if I do get any commissions, they're all bonuses. Now, this does take time, okay? The email follow-up has to work. So right now, for example, this last month, with all the traffic that I sent and everything that I've done, I basically earned $59, out of which $30 is what I earned from SuperFunnel Hero. And this $28 here is completely free. What do I mean that is completely free? I mean, basically, I implemented the strategies that I learned from the training here. So after I got up and running, I'm collecting email addresses, right? And I'm sending daily emails to these. So these people have joined, and I had an offer, which is a 7-figure affiliate. And I sent to my entire list, which is not a big list, guys. It's a list of, about 700 people. I had even less. And I had even, I have even less people. So I can potentially make $700 a month just on the people that are on my list. Okay, remember that. We are trying to get the value of the emails that you have up to $1 per email. This is the aim. Now, it does take time for that to happen. But as I'm saying right here, this $28 is completely free. Okay, it means I sent out an email to my list, and there were two sales that I made from this, which means my list is also responding to my emails. And now I'm learning a skill set where I can basically own the traffic, and I don't need to go out and buy the traffic. I'm spending it once, but now I own the traffic, and I can send an email out to my email list, and I can get sales potentially from that email list. So now if you're on my email list and you're watching this video, I'm teaching you guys this strategy because I don't want you guys to be left behind. What we're doing is learning to build our email list once the follow-up is over, and then we will implement the sending out an email on a daily basis to your email list so that you can now generate even more commissions over the long term. And if you repeat this day in and day out, remember you're focusing on just having buyers on your email. Okay, you're focused on having buyers on your email list. Once you generate that kind of a good relationship with your email list, there's a whole different ball game that you can get into. And this is where I want to be, and this is where I want to take you with me. Okay, this is why I'm sharing and making these videos not only for YouTube but also for my email. So in case you are interested, guys, as I mentioned below, there is a link to the Super Funnel Hero, and you can get the training as well. Everything is at the moment for free. Let me go ahead and stop sharing my screen because I want to share with you one simple formula that I actually follow. So I hope you guys can see. But this is the formula that I personally follow, guys. And you might ask yourself, David, what does it mean? It means basically I'm sending traffic, okay? I'm sending people to a landing page. And what is the whole sole purpose of this landing page is to get an email address. Once I get the email address, I then send them to a sales page that has multiple offers ranging from $7 to $1,500, as you guys saw. So my highest commission that I can make from this Super Funnel Hero, and the highest commission that you can make from the Super Funnel Hero once you get started, okay, is $500 from one of the products. Now, if you make $500 from the first product, you make another $400 from the second high ticket product that is there. So you have 1,000, 1,500, you make 400 and 500. That's already 900 made just from one person, maybe two sales in that funnel. So all you need to do is focus on bringing your traffic, getting the emails. The emails do the follow-up for you to the sales page and everything else. And then they get the training and the plan, which is all there as I showed you in the system itself. When you do make commissions, what I personally do, and this is just how I keep the flow moving so I don't have to think about, oh, do I have money for advertising, or do I have money for advertising? I'm starting to create an advertising budget for myself. What that means is 80% of whatever I earn goes back into my advertising. So if I make $100 sale, just to make the numbers easy, if I make $100 sale, I put $80 back into buying traffic, and $10 and $20 goes into my pocket. And I just continuously do that until everything starts to be smooth. And this is what I'm following, guys. So if you're interested, I hope you guys got value from these monthly reviews. In fact, I'll be doing at least once a month to show you my numbers, show you my back office in Warrior Plus, so that you guys can see realistically, yes, I made $59 to $60 basically this month. So what? That is the reality. And I'm not saying that it is possible for everyone. Last month, I made over $400. This month, I made $59 to $69 from Warrior Plus. Plus, I made a $500 commission for JV4U. So technically, this month, I'm not made just $60. Apologies, I made $600 this month. And last month, I made $400. And this month, I made $600. So that's great. There's been a progress in the amount that I've earned. Now, that commission that I've got from the JV4U, I've already put it in traffic. So this purchase is there, and I will get more traffic this next month, which is really exciting for me. Okay, so I always keep in mind and make sure that things are moving and it's smooth and clear. But I hope you guys understand. So there is progress, and I will be very transparent in what I'm earning and how I'm doing it. And if you want to get a shortcut to all of this, guys, seriously, if you really want a shortcut of setting it up yourself, and everything that's there involved in actually getting the affiliate marketing business going, guess what? I'm going to share with you something that's going to be very interesting for you. Okay, so this is just for me to give you an idea what's going on, but just to show you. Okay, once I scroll down here, the last funnel, the last offer right here, if you really want to take advantage of all of these things that we are showing you, because it's just a steal. To be honest, it's a complete steal. This is what I wanted to show you guys. This is the JV for you training, which you can see that the training is done here. Okay, you get a full training, and then you get access to the JV for you. Now the JV for you get a lot of things, guys, which is interesting. So let me show you what you get. I hope that, yeah, it takes you to the auto form, and as you guys can see right here, you get basically the entire funnel that I've spoken about so far. You get that entire funnel for free. You get the done for you service, so they'll go and set things up for you. You get 1,000 free clicks, so you get traffic that what I was mentioning right in the beginning. You follow a certain strategy, right? You're focusing on getting eyeballs to your offer. This is by far, you just get it. You get 12 months free access, which means additional traffic, by the way, through the VIP. Again, brilliant. Lifetime access to upgrades. This is another thing. Everything together will cost you $1,497. I personally suggest, if you do have the funds to get started with this, get this. Why am I saying get this? I'm telling you to get this because the only reason is all of these right here. Plus, if you do, you get additional bonuses from me. I will support you to get JV for you, at least one JV for you sale, which would be valuable for you to take ahead. Okay, so this is something that I personally like to do, and I want to commit to it. But JV for you is where I'm telling everybody, like, yes, you can get started with the funnel for free, for sure. But if you value in learning a skill set and having a funnel, having everything ready and set up for you so that you're not wasting time, and then having somebody to guide you along the way, you're just going to have a much more faster growth. In fact, that's the one reason why I personally saw the sales come in for myself, because I did fast track myself, basically. So that's it, guys. I don't want to make it more longer than the video actually already is. So in case you guys have any questions, feel free to reach out in the comment section below. Hit the thumbs up and the bell notification if you're interested in these kind of videos. I'm happy to make these monthly reports for you guys. And, you know, let me know if you want to see anything specific, and I can go ahead and share with you also about that on these videos on a monthly basis. Other than that, stay tuned for next week's affiliate marketing video, guys. Have a great day and keep paving the way for your dreams to come true. I know that they're possible. Just take that step, take that action, because you are worth it. Have a great day and have a great week ahead.